I'm Amelie, your ActivTours brand expert. Welcome to a world where travel isn't just planned, it's artfully designed. ActivTours was born in 2003 from one simple belief: that every journey should go beyond hotels and flights, becoming a collection of experiences, emotions, and lasting memories. That's how our story began and how our signature came to life. ActivTours is built around a unique philosophy. One word: limitless experiences. It's a world of 14 exclusive travel concepts, each representing a different way of discovering the world. From Evoke, where gastronomy and biking awaken the senses, to Escape, created for couples and timeless romance. Together celebrates family, while Maria brings summer's warmth, beaches, and all-inclusive comfort. Ignite fuels adrenaline, and Avenue reimagines elegant city breaks. Serenity restores balance through spa and wellness, while Aurora glows with the beauty of winter. Spark celebrates festive and spontaneous getaways, as Heritage celebrates roots and tradition. Odyssey connects destinations into one, and Velvet defines pure luxury. Senses captures activities and local experiences, and Elysium means the art of cruising. These are our main travel themes, the heart of ActivTours, where every holiday is tailor-made with precision and emotion. You'll find them on the homepage or in the main menu Travel Hub, Holiday Ideas. Each package has its own story, ready to be explored and personalized. Travelers can book directly or customize their holiday with just a few clicks. For those who dream beyond a single destination, ActivTours offers something special: the Trip Planner. You'll find it under Travel Hub in main menu. It's our exclusive multi-destination engine where you can design routes with or without flights, adding hotels, rent-a-car, transfers, or activities. Every travel plan you create on the website becomes a holiday idea, a personalized trip designed by you, using the main engines on our homepage. City breaks, accommodation, transport, or activities only. Each holiday idea can then be saved in your account and shared directly with others. It's an intuitive way to build your own journeys and to inspire people to travel differently. And as an affiliate, you have complete freedom to create and promote. You can share our curated tailor-made packages, invite your audience through the homepage, or design and distribute your own holiday ideas and circuits, using the main engines on the homepage, or the Trip Planner for multi-destination journeys. Because ActivTours was built for creators of travel, for those who don't just sell holidays but inspire people to live them.
Hi, I'm Eve, your EVENTURIA brand expert. Welcome to a world where emotions go live. EVENTURIA was born shortly after ActivTours, a natural evolution of the same passion for authentic experiences, crafted for those who don't just watch but want to live the moment. It's our premium platform dedicated to sports, concerts, and global events, offering complete travel packages that go far beyond a simple ticket. Here, everything is designed to be safe, simple, and personal, so travelers can focus on what truly matters: being there, beside their idols. Because that's our promise and our signature: simple, secure, close to your idols. If you've understood ActivTours, you'll understand EVENTURIA, because both platforms share the same structure and spirit. The difference? EVENTURIA is vibrant, dynamic, full of energy, passion, and live excitement. Everything here revolves around one main engine: sports and events, where you'll find sports and events tickets for any match, concert, race, or festival worldwide. You can then add accommodation with transport, and even include local activities to complete the experience. The activities engine works the same as in ActivTours. And if you prefer, you can also add sports and events tickets directly from the City Breaks engine, after selecting your hotel and transport. Just like ActivTours, EVENTURIA also has a multi-destination engine, and we call it Globetrotter. You'll find it in the main menu under Travel Hub. Here, you can easily create your own circuit, adding multiple destinations, events, and experiences in one single trip. And because this is EVENTURIA, you can even include several live events in the same journey. We call them duo events or trio events, but of course, you can add as many as you like. It's a simple, inspiring way to mix travel, emotions, and unforgettable live moments, all in one experience. At EVENTURIA, our main themes are the event categories themselves. You'll find them on the homepage or in the main menu. Live experiences, see all. Each category has its own page, dedicated to every league, Grand Prix, artist, or tournaments. Our key categories include concerts, football, tennis, Formula One, MotoGP, festivals, and cultural events. Beyond these, we cover all sports worldwide, including team sports, precision sports, combat sports, aquatic and water sports, winter sports, power and endurance sports, cycling and motorsports, multi-sport events, and every championship, tournament, or competition with official tickets. And just like at ActivTours, every EVENTURIA package can be personalized by the traveler with a single click. As an affiliate, you can share EVENTURIA in 4 simple ways. You can promote packages created by our team, share the homepage or category pages, create your own holiday ideas using our engines, including Globetrotter, or build ideas that include live event tickets only, matches, concerts, festivals, or races. With EVENTURIA, you don't just share events, you help people live them. Both brands share the same foundation, a premium, intuitive platform designed to create unforgettable experiences. In the Travel Hub, you'll find all the main engines of each platform. You'll discover Trip Planner in ActivTours and Globetrotter in EVENTURIA, where you can design your circuits. The City Break engine is called City Moments in ActivTours and Your Own Trip in EVENTURIA, which includes flight and hotel. You'll also find a special search engine on both homepages or in Travel Hub, where you can explore packages created by our team, searching by interests. These are found under Tailor-Made Collection in ActivTours and All-In Select in EVENTURIA. Activities is a common engine, filled with authentic local experiences. Only EVENTURIA includes the Sports and Events engine, where you can find sports and event tickets worldwide. In ActivTours, accommodation and transport can also be booked separately, perfect for travelers who don't need a full package. If you want to learn more about each brand, go to Explore More. There you'll find Gift Voucher for travelers who wish to offer holidays as personalized gifts. ActivTours Privilege and Insider Circle. Loyalty programs with real rewards, points, and exclusive benefits. And the Pro Divisions, dedicated to B2B partners and corporate clients, offering incentive and team-building solutions. You'll also find each brand's brand film, travel vlog, blog, about us, documents, FAQ, testimonials, and contact page. And don't forget, our non-stop support is here for everyone, and it's something you should proudly promote. Since 2003, we've perfected the art of tailor-made holidays, events, and experiences crafted with care down to every detail. These platforms were built for freedom, for creativity, so go ahead, inspire, create, and sell with confidence.